Hello everyone, we are a team from India and we are presenting Soul Property, which aims to solve the current problems existing in the property management solutions which are used today. So what are the various problems? So the problems include chances of forgery and human error during property transfers and the property storage, lack of transparency, and the possibility of loss of information due to the wear and tear of property documents. So what exactly is Soul Property? Soul Property is a secure and decentralized way of managing your property records for transparency and zero fraud property transfers. It is built on top of the Solana blockchain. So let's have a demo of the application. So we have the option of connecting the wallet for a new user. So let's do that. And we'll select our wallet and click on Phantom. So as you can see, we have to click on connect and we can see the wallet address over here. Then we'll click on continue. We are taken to the registration screen and let us enter the name of the person. So we'll enter the name of the person, the email ID, and the mobile number. And we'll click on register and we have to approve these transactions. So after waiting for some time, you can see this is our profile page, the user profile page, and you can see our various details, and we can see that we do not have any properties available. So let's go to the marketplace and see which property we may buy. So I think I'm quite interested in this GDS apartment, so I can go ahead and see more details of it. So here I see that here is the location and here are the various details. Here is the owner's profile. So I'll raise a buy request to the owner of the property. So I'll approve this transaction. So now the buy request has been sent to the owner. So let us go to the owner's account. So I'm logged in now with the owner's account. And if I refresh, I should be able to see a buy request. You can see we have a buy request and I have the option of approve and reject. And we can see who is the person who has requested for the property transfer. So we'll click on approve and we'll approve the transaction. Now, if we go to the Gaurav's account, we can see that we have the property under his name now. And we can see the various details. Also, we have the option of transferring the property without doing any requests. So how have we used Solana in this application? We have used Solana in this application to store the property records and its ownership details. We're also using it to transfer the property between the users. Actually, Solana is a fast, low cost and scalable blockchain network. Soul Property comes under the Web3 track as it is the decentralization concept is being used on it. It is a tamper-proof, secure, and transparent way to manage one's properties. So that's all. Thank you.